Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to bring a review on this microphone. This is the Fantech Leviosa MXC01. So I got this for like 2 weeks ago, but so I can't do an unboxing because I have already taken it out. And yeah, so there are some things inside. I'm just going to take them out. Okay, it comes with a casing like this. You have the cable inside this, but I took it out, and the microphone came here, tripod over here, and some other things here. When talking about the box, this is very premium. Sorry about the bad audio quality, because now I'm recording from my phone microphone, which is very noisy on. So you can see it has an RGB illumination. I don't know if it will focus you. Yeah, it's okay. And also you had cardioid polar pattern, and also you has an USB interface, and there's a microphone picture, which is pretty much good. And also there are some specifications, and you can see what is in the box. And also there are some features known as voice chat, and also vocal reduction, and also PC karaoke, and also streamers and YouTubers. And it's compatible with both Mac and PC, but you should have Windows 7 or newer version. And also there are some other things, and it is USB. Other side you have some other features that you can see in the microphone. It has an cardioid polar pattern and mute button with an echo controller and a gain controller and a headphone jack for audio monitoring. Okay, now I'm going to keep it aside, and let's check out what you get in the box. Okay, so the first thing that you get in the box is this microphone, which is a good premium microphone for this price point. You have the mute button, okay, and the echo controller. I'll show what you can do, and the gain controller, and also there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, which you can plug your headphone jack, and you can lively hear what you're talking with your microphone. And after that you get a tripod, which is a little bit broken. Yes, tripod with the mount for your tripod, and also you get a pop filter, which you can I'll show you why I use the pop filter. Okay. And also you get a USB cable with one side standard USB and the other side USB-B. To focus. And after that you get the user manual, and also you get the warranty card. Ooh. Okay, so now let's show how I set up my microphone. Okay, so the main thing I'm going to say is I'm not going to use the tripod that is given by Fantech, because I can't keep it on the desk like this. So I'm going to keep it aside. Now I'm going to use some lights. This is what I do now. This is just a natural stand. So I'm going to place it here because I'm not sure about some blue mouse. This is too much light. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to attach this piece to here.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us
so simple to use.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so now I'll test. And next we need to get the cable, and I'm going to unplug it. You can see the USB type B connector. I'm going to turn the microphone this side, and you need to connect these two. And after that, okay, next I'm going to connect this USB to my laptop. Okay, so now I'm just going to make my phone a little bit. Now you can see there's an RGB in the microphone, and here you can see the cardioid polar pattern, and there's a Fantech logo over here, and you can see the mute button and like that. And this is the gain controller, and this is the this is the echo controller, and this is the gain controller. And as I showed you, I can plug in my headphone to live audio monitor. Now when I talk here, test 1 2 3, so now I can hear the sound. I don't know whether you can hear it. Okay, so now let's go to jump into OBS and check out the sound. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the features of this microphone. So you might not see a little bit because I'm recording the audio from my computer, and I'm going to record my video from my phone. Okay, so now let's check it out. Okay, so first I'm going to show you the mute button. So when you press the mute button,
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's
so when
left.
you press the mute button, you can
The storms we chase are leading
So,
us,
next.
and love is all we'll ever
Next,
trust.
I'm going to press the
No, I don't wanna waste
code
what's
to maximum,
left.
and let's see how it sounds.
We'll go
Now you can see how
through
my
the
voice
wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
when I
we'll go
you can see
through the wastelands, through the highways,
reduce the gain now. Okay, so now as you can remember, we got a pop filter with our microphone. So now I'm going to talk without putting a pop filter, and next I'm going to talk with putting the pop filter. So this is the pop filter. Now we
finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
actually I don't know.
No, I don't want no rest.
This that is that's a pop
Echoing
filter.
around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
So
And
we'll
go
like and
through the
subscribe. So if
wastelands,
you want
through
to
the
get this
highways,
microphone,
till my
I
shadow
drop
turns to
it
sun
in the description
rays.
because you can
And
buy this from Amazon. If you
we'll
are in
go
Asia only, you can buy this.
through the wastelands, through the
I will
highways.
send to the link if you are in Asia. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Then until next time.